If you're planning on doing any carpentry successfully, you'll need a way to mark a straight line. After researching at least 20 combination squares and testing 6 during the final phase of a whole house remodeling project, we're convinced that the best option for most people is the Irwin 179 4469 12-inch combination square. You can find pro versions of this all-purpose marking tool that cost hundreds of bucks, but the Irwin model is a solid alternative that works well for a fraction of the price. Many products are available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of customer reviews, and compiled a list of the best combination square from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Irwin 179 4469 12-inch combination square. The Irwin 179 4468 12-inch combination square surpassed the other combination squares we tested thanks to several details that differentiate an excellent tool from an average one. In particular, we liked the smooth machining of the main body, the evenly chamfered edges, the nice powder-coated finish, and the fact that it's a touch heavier than the rest, which gives it a truly solid feel. Like some other combination squares we tested, the Irwin has a zinc body and a stainless steel ruler, so it won't rust or corrode. Our carpenter test crew kept coming back to the Irwin because it got the job done and it feels like a high-quality tool, much higher quality, in fact, than its price would suggest. Number 2. Swanson 12-inch combo square. If the Irwin option is not accessible, an alternative worth considering is the Swanson 12-inch combo square. Despite being the most economical metal-bodied square in our review, this tool meets fundamental criteria with its zinc body and stainless steel ruler. Notably, it stood out as the sole combo square in our tests that arrived perfectly square straight out of the packaging. However, it's essential to note that its base lacks the robustness of the Irwin counterpart, and its finish quality is comparatively lower. Upon close examination, one may detect slight inconsistencies along the edges of the ruler, although they are not significant enough to disrupt pencil lines. These imperfections are a testament to the tool's affordability. Nevertheless, this minor compromise in quality does not hinder the square's overall functionality. Number 3. Wenme 144L 12-inch aluminum combination square. Lightweight aluminum and bright silver metric and imperial numbers make this square from Wen an easy-to-read choice that's equally as simple to carry around. It is by no means the fanciest square out there, but it's perfect for throwing into a tool bag and bringing from project to project. It's cheap but holds up well to constant use. The sliding head doesn't fumble and the electric green bubble level makes readings more visible. One skeptical professional contractor who initially laughed at this choice took it all back and ended up being super impressed with the quality of this square. Number 4. Starrett steel combination square with square head. For those acquainted with squares, the Starrett combination square needs no introduction. Renowned for its robust construction, premium materials, and slightly higher yet justifiable price point, this tool has earned a prestigious reputation in the realm of hand tools. Featuring a cast iron head with a reversible lock bolt, straight out of the box, this square impresses with its precision and pristine bearing surface. What sets this square apart are its distinctive markings on the blade. Unlike standard measurements in inches or centimeters, it offers clear delineation in 8ts, 16ts, 32ds, and 64ts, which can be challenging to decipher instantaneously on a conventional ruler. While professionals may gravitate towards this top-tier selection, even self-proclaimed amateur users have reported significant improvements in their projects, attributing newfound confidence to the precision and reliability of their Starrett square. Number 5. Stanley 46-131 16-inch contractor-grade combination square. Professional carpenters and contractors who are always overseeing larger projects need a quality square at a reasonable price. With constant usage and breakage or misplacing it being real threats, this Stanley combination square is the best of both worlds. It's slightly more expensive than budget squares, but it's not so bold of an investment that losing it would be disastrous. At 16 inches, it has a little more length than the standard foot-long precision tool options. These bright yellow squares may not have the cast iron combination square heads like Starrett's, but professionals still rely on this Stanley model. As one cabinet maker with a decade behind them put it, it's a great mid-quality square that has less of a chance of being stolen by coworkers. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, Please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.